Welcome back to our VPN series. If you're new here, don't forget to check out our playlists for more tutorials. Today, I'm going to guide you through setting up Express UDP VPN for a fast and secure internet connection. Before we dive in, make sure to follow my blog, subscribe to my channel, and like and share this video for more helpful content. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your mobile device. Tap on the Play Store icon to launch the app. Step 2. In the Play Store, you'll see a search bar at the top. Tap on the search bar and type Express UDP VPN. After typing, tap the Enter key on your keyboard to initiate the search. Step 3. In the search results, locate Express UDP VPN. Tap on it to view the app details. Then tap the Install button to start downloading the app. This process might take a few moments, so please be patient. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Express UDP VPN app. You'll now be on the home screen of the app. Step 5. The app has two main settings you need to configure: connection type and server selection. Let's start with the connection type. Step 6. Tap on the connection type menu. A list of connection types will appear. Select UDP mode from the list. This setting ensures a fast and secure connection. Step 7. Next, let's select a server. Tap on the server selection menu. You'll see a list of available server locations. Choose your preferred server location from this list. Step 8. After selecting the connection type and server, you're ready to connect. Tap the Start button to initiate the VPN connection. To verify the connection, you can check the connection logs. Swipe right or tap on the log label to view the logs. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully set up Express UDP VPN for a fast and secure internet connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.